What's up, guys? My name is Emerson Claus. I'm here today to show you something that I had to learn on my own, and it was some trial and error, but I've seen a couple other people at dealers struggling to get these on, and today we're going to put on the backrest to the seat. This is for the second person, and the luggage rack that snaps on the back also. Now, one of the things that I had trouble with was when the seat came in, I couldn't get it in the right spot just because it, you know, from the looks of it, I'm looking at the chrome hardware and I couldn't figure out where I was going. Here, but let's stop all this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's get it a little more comfy because I want to be able to show you this. So, the attachment points for the seat are not here and here. I know the luggage rack looks like it is. That is not what these are here for. Your front two attachment points are up here on the shocks. They're up on the shocks. If you look at the shock, you'll see a tiny little divot. It's black. It is not chrome. It's hidden into the bike. These are factory installed. This is the hardware you add to put stuff on. Basically, it snaps on the back. Let me grab the thing. Oh, okay. So these front points go towards the shock. The rear points, this locking mechanism right here, slaps on to the chrome, or the black piece right here. Let's put it on. I can show you what I'm talking about. All right, check this out. So these slide up, and they go in the black. I don't know if you can see this little piece right here. This front guy gets clipped to that right there. See this little black thing right in there? That little divot right against your shock. This goes in like so. Trying to watch the screen. So wiggle that little guy on. Now it's seated most of the way. So these little guys right here, you want to make sure this is in a position to catch. Right about there. It's nice and open. Make sure this one is the same as you start to push down. Just make sure everything's lined up. So here's where the issue came in when we were at the dealer. See how this side looks like it's gonna fall right on. Right in here. It's nice, it's in the bushing. We jump to this side. See, it's almost smooth. So basically, we're gonna have to push this little guy in a little. A lot. Don't be scared, you're not gonna break it. It's ready to snap. So, there you go. After these clips are secured down, see, that's what it should look like at the end. Alright, so now, just give this a little pressure. Oh. Just like that. Same thing on this side. So next, we have the luggage rack. Now, I had to do all this. I was leaving in a quick trip for the weekend. I was trying to get everything strapped down. The reason I had to run out and grab this bar is basically so my bag didn't fall off the back. I knew I was going to be carrying some good amount of gear, cameras, clothes, stuff like that. Realize how cameras come first. Anyways, as you can see, I do have a real tour pack, but that was still on order, and it was right, I wasn't sure if I was going to get the small, medium, or large. I did get the small. It's the Razor tour pack. Sweet. Anyways, we'll do that on another one. I did get video of that. So the luggage rack here basically goes on the chrome hardware that's inside. Inside these. So these snapped over the plastic pieces. Now inside is a chrome piece. This just slides right onto the chrome. Give it a little help getting on the bike. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Make sure these are in line to sit nice and flat like that. Push down, lock, lock, and that is how you put the luggage rack on the back. Now once this is locked in, I don't have a lock on these, so I mean technically I guess somebody can just take them, but You have to be pretty crazy to walk up to somebody's Harley in a parking lot and just start taking stuff off. That's how you do it. I'm just throwing this on real quick. Me and Ash are going to take a ride. Anyways, guys, I hope you like the videos. Hit the subscribe button if you can. Like my video. Share it if you have somebody that needs help doing the same thing. Feel free to ask any comments or questions about the stuff I've done to this bike or any other bikes. Yeah, no, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon on the next one. Until then, we out.